As part of Citizens Energy Group's ongoing efforts to improve services, the lead service line replacement program is designed to remove outdated lead piping from customer property. This program will replace the underground lead service line that carries water from a water main to a customer's property. Available to select service areas, the lead service line replacement program comes at no additional cost to the customer. However, before citizens can test a home or building to confirm if there is a lead service line, we need a signed right of entry agreement from the property owner. To confirm if your home or building has a lead service line, citizens must perform a visual inspection. If the service line is found to be lead, the customer qualifies for a lead service line replacement. While awaiting, we will provide a water filter pitcher and 6 months' worth of filters for the occupants. To have your lead service line replaced at no additional cost to you, please complete and return the right of entry agreement as soon as possible. You can return your signed right of entry agreement by mail, email, or by simply handing it to the on-site contractor. An additional form can be requested by calling 317-941-7120.